Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set your phone to automatically download system updates so that you guys won't have to actually manually go in and actually download it. So for some of you who just want to get over with the update and just let your phone update it immediately, I'm going to show you guys how to activate this so that your phone will automatically update as soon as the update is out. Now do keep in mind there's a difference. Whenever an update comes out, it will actually inform you in your notifications. From if you scroll down, it will actually notify you there's an update required. But what these settings allow you to do is the phone will automatically straight away install it. So yeah guys, I'm going to show you how to do that. It's actually pretty easy to do, and for this video I am using a Huawei Nova 7i. So if you guys are using any other Huawei devices, these settings will be exactly similar, but if you're using any other Android, these settings will not be 100% similar, but they'll be almost the same. So first of all, what you guys are going to want to do is open up your settings, and then you guys are going to want to scroll down all the way until you guys find system and updates. So once you guys in system and update, you guys are going to want to scroll down to right below write mode, and where it says developer options, click that. If do keep in mind, if you guys do not have this developer option setting available there, check out my previous video which about developer options. This is actually a hidden setting that you have to turn on manually. You can't actually find it by yourself. So if you guys don't see this on your device, check out for my previous video, and I've showed you guys how to actually activate these settings. So from here, what you guys are going to want to do is scroll down right above demo mode. If you guys can see that, you guys will see automatic system update. So all you have to do is turn the slider on, and there you have it. Now your phone will automatically update as soon as the update is out. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. If you guys have any tutorials you guys want me to do, comment down below, and with that I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.